In this video, we're going to look at the best video editing apps for Instagram Reels. As you know, Instagram has a few features within the app to add to your Instagram Reels. However, these features are very limited. For example, if you want to add text or if you want to add emojis or stickers. To make great Reels, you need to be editing outside of the app. So in this video, we're going to look at the best video editing apps for Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Des Herbert. If you like videos like this, videos on YouTube, tips and the best apps to help you get online with video, then consider subscribing, hit the bell icon and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. We're going to look at the best apps to help you create great Reels, and the first app we're going to look at is InShot. Open up InShot, where it says create new, I'm going to tap on video and then I'm going to tap new here. Select the video that you want. I'm going to select this video here. I'm going to select the check mark on the right hand corner. From here, if it's not in the right ratio, 9:16, which is what we need for our Instagram Reels, then press canvas on the bottom left here and then select 9:16, which you can see here. Right, press that, press the check mark. Automatically, it's giving us a blurred background here. If I want to add text, just press the text button, type in what you want. I'm gonna type hello YouTube. Right, you can select the different fonts that you want, the different type of fonts that you want, whatever you prefer here. You can also import fonts here. If you want this text to move and appear for a certain time on the screen, this is what you do. If you want it to move, we will need to use keyframes. You type a keyframe at the beginning, then move it. When we move it, it'll automatically add the second keyframe, and then you move it again and it'll automatically add the third keyframe, and so on and so on. For the duration of the text, slide it, tap it, and then slide it backwards and forwards here. It's easy as that. So that's how we move the text. As you can see, it's moving on the screen here. So that's those two features, which are very handy for Instagram Reels, because then the text can disappear when you want it. So once you're done, press the check mark and then press the export button at the top here. So next we're gonna go to CapCut. Open up CapCut, select a new project here at the top, then select the video that you want. I'm gonna select this video here, then press add. As you can see, it's in the 16:9 ratio, which is for what we use for YouTube. I'm going to change the format. I'm gonna scroll across here and press format, and I want 9:16, as you can see here. I want the blurred background, so tap on the left arrow here, then I'm going to press canvas. Now we've got three selections here. I want blur, so I'm going to select blur. I'll select whichever one I like, and as you can see, it's mimicked the background here, and that's how you blur the background here. Now to add text, it's very simple. Press the text button here, press add text, type in the text. I'm going to type the same text, hello YouTube. Right, so it's the same here. You can change the style of the text by pressing style. You can import fonts, which I covered in a previous video. You've got various different styles that you can have. There are various different fonts, loads of fonts you've got here. Plus you can import your own. You can do animation. You've got text effects you can have as well. So if we, for example, chose an effect like this one here, or this effect here, or red, so it's going to change to that effect. And if you change the font style to something a bit bolder, you'll be able to see it easier, as we're doing here. I can choose one of my imported fonts, and to move it is the same thing. The diamond arrow is the keyframe. Tap the diamond, move it to your next location, and it will automatically add another keyframe. Move it again and it'll add another keyframe. So as you see, it will move around, and if you want it to disappear off the screen, just set the duration here. That is how you will add text for your Instagram Reels. That is InShot and CapCut. If you want to add text and you want to add the blurred canvas background and a few other features like collages, InShot should be the one you choose. If you want to add text and the mimic canvas background and you want to add a lot more features, then select CapCut. I have both in my toolkit. It's a good idea to have both. Bearing in mind, CapCut is free for both Android and iOS. These are the best two video editing apps for Instagram Reels. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing, hit the bell icon and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.